This space has so many windows, and drainage water is consuming space within and around. Skin, absorption, liquid, humanity, ingestion. I still feel the presence of someone living in here, as if I am inside a feeling that is not mine. Items or things are looking at me. I am a new species from their perspective. They are trying to figure me out. It has been 10 minutes. This space is haunted. I'm scared. Someone is walking, but I cannot visual them. They keep on getting closer. The space is trying to talk to me, but this language is unknown to humans. This language sounds like bone cracking. Snap, pop, crackle. There's a sound of sizzle inside the walls. Fermentation, bubbles, gravity, flotation. I am inside space, and I think I can hear it.